In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Outlook email into a PDF. This is really useful if you need to save an important message, share it as a document, or keep a clean record for work, school, or personal reference. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox. Find the specific email you want to convert. It can be any message, but it's best to open the email in its own window so you can see the full content clearly. Double-click the email so it pops out into a separate window, rather than viewing it just in the reading pane. This helps ensure that everything you see on screen is what will appear in the PDF. With the email open, look towards the top left corner of the window and click on the File menu. This opens a new screen with various options related to saving, printing, and managing your message. From here, you're going to use the print option to create your PDF. Even though we're not printing on paper, this is where Outlook lets you generate a PDF file. Click on Print and you'll see a list of available printers. Instead of selecting a physical printer, choose the option that says something like Microsoft Print to PDF, or another PDF printer available on your computer. This tells Outlook to send the email to a virtual printer that creates a PDF file instead of a physical page. Before you move on, take a quick look at the preview on the right-hand side. Make sure the email looks the way you expect, including any images or formatting that you want to keep. If everything looks good, click on Print. A new window will appear asking where you want to save your PDF. Choose a folder that you'll remember, such as your documents or desktop. Then give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later. When you're ready, click Save. Once the saving process is complete, go to the folder you chose and open the PDF to double-check it. You should now see your Outlook email preserved as a PDF document, ready to share, upload, or store safely for future use.